How to change sensitivity on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change sensitivity on Fall Guys. Changing sensitivity on Fall Guys is quite easy. So without any delay, let's get started. Open Fall Guys. Launch the Fall Guys app on your mobile device. Go to settings. From the main menu, select the gear icon or setting option. Navigate to controls. In the setting menu, find the controls or gameplay tab, where you can adjust control setting. Adjust sensitivity. Look for option labeled look sensitivity or camera sensitivity. Use the slider to adjust the sensitivity to your preferred level. Increasing the sensitivity makes the camera move faster, while decreasing it makes it move slower. Apply or save changes. Once you have adjusted the sensitivity to your liking, make sure to apply or save the changes. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change sensitivity on Fall Guys. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.